7/16, no, excuse me, 3/8 through 9/16 flex head ratchet and wrench. And we got some more other standard and metric miscellaneous wrenches and stuff. We even got a pipe wrench in there. We got a distributor wrench in there. Next here we got more pliers, plier drawer, vice grips, assortment pliers, specialty pliers, hose pliers, strippers, cutters, long nose needle nose cutters. We got the brake plier tools over here for the snap rings on the end. You close down the ends, or you squeeze them open, split them open. The hog rings on the brakes, Hondas, GM guys, Hondas, they know about that stuff. CV boot tool for the band, CV boot band tool. Some flat pliers for the flat nose pliers. Pipe cutters, these are the ones I prefer. They even sell them in the tool catalogs nowadays. Exhausts, rubber grommet, hanger tool removal, transmission specialty pliers, inner diameter. You got the quick change, channel lock branded snap ring pliers. These are cool, they're really good. I really use them a lot. My old school Dykes, got the Easy Red pistol grip pliers in there. Those are cool, must have. Little pistol grips. You know, got some more offset mini pliers, brake spring collapsers. Got some more heavy duty snap ring pliers. Bunch of specialty ones that Big Kit Matco sells. Got the spark plug boot pullers. This one we got a bunch of specialty stuff in here. Punches. We got the wheel stud installer. Haven't used that yet. Been waiting. Haven't done enough wheel studs to justify it. We got the small block Chevrolet oil pump priming tool. Blowers. We got some pullers. Steering wheel compressor. Rivet gun. Window trim tool, hubcap tool, 3-jaw pullers, ball joint tie rod end popper, got a miscellaneous wood saw in there, got a Cornwell branded tailpipe expander, got an old school impact driver with all the bits, nice quality tool, impact driver, slam driver, whatever you want to call it. Double set almost with the Pittsburgh branded punch and chisel set. Got some bent ones, got some straight ones, got some solid ones. You know, these lasted me over 10-12 years. They're still working like a champ. Maybe one day I'll upgrade to Snap-on or something, but right now I don't see the need to. Over here we got a bunch of pilots for clutch installation. We got the inner tie rod tool. This was Matco branded, or Cornwell, I can't remember. This one here is I think one of the same Matco branded battery and wiper armed puller tool. Bunch of clamps, some more 3-way pullers, some brushes. We got hole punches, so when you want to punch some holes in some gaskets and stuff. We got the Pitman arm puller, a bunch of rings and stuff like that for when we're doing press work, battery terminal cleaners and whatnot, stud extractor. We got some plastic wedges, mostly all my chisels for my air hammer, long ones, short ones. Got the half moon, straight chisels, offset chisels, straight chisels, you know, a bunch of punching chisels, you know, some miscellaneous cutters. You got the 2 tie rod end boot or tie rod poppers or pickle forks, whatever you want to call them. We got the tailpipe cutter. This here is a tubing cutter. That's a nice little bit there. That works really swell and it's really fast. So we got all the hammer chisels and all the bit drivers there for the air hammer. Even got a brake piston tool compressor even in there. Getting some of this stuff back in there. More blowers. A bunch of cleaning brushes for when I clean all my engines and my brake jobs and stuff like that. Just a bunch of miscellaneous brushes in case we need them. Got a nut splitter, a bunch of miscellaneous chisels and punches. This is a Pilot bearing tool remover, snap-on. Got a roller for when you're putting back on door panels and you want to get that glue, that black dum-dum to lay back down. You use that tool. This here's a specialty driver also. It's a deep punch or chisel, whatever you want to use it as, a big cone. It's extra deep, so you don't have to worry about binding up somewhere. Over here we got a slide hammer, little mini slide. El Cheapo branded, works really good. I've even busted this piece off, got to replace it, get a new piece. But so far I have had great success with that tool. Made tons of money with it already. So it's not necessarily the brand, it's more so the user or operator error, whatever they want to claim. But at this point, these tools have made lots of money and been very successful. We got a pipe wrench in there. This pipe wrench I'm gonna switch up and put it in my plier drawer. Got some more C-clamps in there. Maybe I'll put this driver somewhere else also. You know, 3-way pullers. Under here we got the lockout kit with the wedges and the big and easy stick, the inflatable wedge, all that stuff. More C-clamps, more drivers. This here's a tap and die set. Standard tap and die. I don't do much of that, but what I do, I have the necessary equipment to get the job done. Another slide hammer, Matco branded, little small body slide hammer. So if I want to do seals or just something I need to pull out, I'll use that and put a screw on the end of it or something, or attach it some way, somehow. We got some more pieces of steel in there for specialty stuff. This piece I use for the Ford Focus lock plate for the cam when you're doing timing. You don't need to go out there and buy all that stuff if you know the stuff to use. So that's a Ford Focus cam lock plate right there. Squeeze this drawer down. This is more so like a miscellaneous all around town kind of guy for this drawer. You got plenty of stuff and that one's kind of heavy. This one here, we got all my impacts. We got fluid line stoppers, you know, for different types. Brake, fuel line, O-rings, banjo, flare type, all types of seals and stops you can use with those. You know, I got the Central Pneumatic CP. This one's a good one. This one's giving me tons and tons of use and money back first ever reversible 3/8 drive air drill I ever purchased. Still have it, works great. Not gonna use it until it fails. Snap-on, old school PH2050, broke down on me, so I had to go out and get the other one. Forget what model this is, but this is, I guess, not Snap-on's top of the line air hammer. So far it's worked pretty good, pretty impressed. Got the one-way drive, right angle, no name branded right angle air drill. I only go one way, so it works good for me. It's not reversible, but it works. 3/8 snap-on, half-inch snap-on, Matco branded right angle, Matco branded straight angle, snap-on 3/8, snap-on 1/4 inch single body, Harbor Freight branded die grinders. They got the Blue Point air saw, DeWalt 3/8 drive electric drill still. Got some grease over here. In here we got piston ring compressor, Mac Tools branded.